Welcome to one of the most beautiful cities in Colombia, Santander. In Santander, you can find broken relieves of Chicamocha Canyon with tall mountains and the wonderful geographic place. In the canyon of Chicamocha is a represented place of the Colombia. It is Santander Park, Taxi Cemetery, and Colombia Identific. You can practice you can also visit small museums in the school large canyon in the world. It has several restaurants and coffees and 4-day cinema. It is made in trains in the partnerships on the road between Bucaramanga and San Gil. Finally, recommended the Gallineral Parks, located in the center of the city of San Gil. It is land the median on the ruler. It is have the place a natural wide multitude of the plants, flowers, and pots expresses the ecology of the regions Colombia and the world. The arid climates on the world and the tropical forests, hormigas culonas, frites or the toasted. I hope you enjoyed your visit. Thank you for your attention.